Okay, in this video, I want to find out if the company is a software company or not. So I've got a list of my company names and domains, but in order to analyze whether it is a SaaS company, I'm going to use the company description. So I did have to enrich all of these companies with the clay enrichment for enrich company. So this did cost me 1 credit per enrichment. So there's 14 credits I've used here. But now I'm going to use AI. Clicking on use AI, browse templates, and the one I'm looking for is SaaS. So determine if a company is SaaS or not. So the input column is going to be the description. So I'm going to select that here, apply the template. I'm going to use my own OpenAI API key, and I want to check out what 40 Mini does. Let's see if it works or not. I'm going to save and not run, and the reason I'm doing this is because I know that these at the bottom here are not SaaS companies. So let me just see if it gets this right first of all, and then I'm going to save myself some money when it comes to the credits that I'm using, and I want to see what the reasoning is. So I click into this field, and oh, it's not giving me a reason. It's just saying false, which is fine. Let's do the kitchen. This one is a tricky one, but this one is definitely a SaaS. Jotform is definitely a SaaS. So let's see what comes back. It's coming back as true. Again, not giving the reasoning there at all, but it looks like it's getting these right. I always like to add in data that I know is going to be different to the answer that I'm looking for, and that way I can test to see whether the prompt is working. So if I just click on run column and run the first 10, it's going to look for these. And if I, again, look at the price of this, it costs, again, hardly, I don't know how to work out how much that didn't cost, under cents. It's saying that Currency Cloud is false. So let me have a look at Currency Cloud. And it looks like this might be a software company. So let's have a look. Backing your bold solutions banks. So it may not be a software as a service, so that's perhaps why it has come up as false, but all of the other ones are saying true. But this is the point with any enrichment, you need to make sure that you are double checking to see whether it is true or not, because then you can make informed segmentation and decisions based on this. Let's just try it with the different OpenAI model and see if we get a different response. So let's click on use AI, browse templates, SaaS, determine, description. So I'm doing everything the same. The only thing I'm going to change, I'm going to use the ChatGPT 4o model, but using my own API key. So I'm going to save and save. I'm just going to save and don't run, because I remember I found one that wasn't kind of true. So let's see what happens when I do this. I'm also going to check out to see whether it gets the same answers for some of these that I know are false. So it's still coming back as false. It's not given a reasoning. Run first 10 rows. So I want to see whether there is a difference between ChatGPT 4o and 4o Mini, and we can see there are a couple of differences. So we've got this one here, which is false, checkout.com. So I'd need to investigate this further as to why one is saying false and the other one is saying true. And usually that comes back to the prompt. You might just need to add in a little bit more information. So usually for a monthly or annual subscription to multiple users, providing them with a service. This is the company description. I may want to add an additional step to look at the company website and search their pricing page to see if they have monthly or annual plans, or any text that might allude to monthly or annual planning, because then it would be a SaaS platform. There's lots, especially in the fintech world, there's lots of technology that sits as layers behind subscription-based businesses, such as like card issuers, for example. But this is how you go and use the template to find out whether a company is SaaS or not, and 2 different models to try and find those.